Ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of bad habits? Whether it's procrastination, unhealthy eating, or anything else that keeps holding you back, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to breaking those bad habits and reclaiming control of your life. The habit cycle. First things first, let's understand the habit cycle. It starts with a cue. Something triggers your bad habit. Then comes the craving, the urge to follow through. Next is the response, the habit itself, followed by the reward, the temporary satisfaction you feel after. And before you know it, you're back at the start. This cycle can feel impossible to break. But don't worry. It's all about rewiring your brain, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Identify the root cause. The first step to breaking a bad habit is identifying the root cause. Ask yourself, what triggers this habit? Is it stress, boredom, or something else? Knowing the why behind the habit helps you figure out how to break it. Replace with a good habit. Instead of simply trying to stop a bad habit, replace it with something positive. For example, if you tend to snack on junk food when stressed, try switching to something healthier like fruits or a stress-relieving activity like deep breathing or going for a walk. Small steps, big wins. Breaking habits doesn't happen overnight. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate those wins. Whether it's going one day without your bad habit or making it through a week, each small victory builds momentum. Accountability partners. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can keep you on track. Having support makes it easier to stick to your commitment. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is key. Use a journal, an app, or even a simple calendar to monitor your success. This will help you stay motivated as you see the changes happening. Stay positive and patient. Lastly, be patient and kind to yourself. Habits take time to break, and setbacks will happen. But every step forward is progress. Stay positive, and remember, you've got this. Ready to start breaking those bad habits? Follow these tips, stay consistent, and soon you'll find yourself living a healthier, more productive life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Let's break those bad habits together.